Hi friends, welcome back to the Self-Sufficient Sister. We are in my kitchen today making some freezer meals, single serving, but you can also prepare them all together and just have one thing that you cook after you're done. So it's a nice, beautiful, cozy, rainy day today. I'm excited to be in my kitchen and preparing these meals. So we're making creamy Caesar. Let's see, I should probably just look at my recipe, what it says. Okay, we did Italian meatballs and baked Caesar chicken with creamy Caesar dressing. So I got a total of 10 meals from this, but they're single serving, so I can just pull one bag out and cook it and be ready to go for that night. So I really like this method. I did another video with 4 different recipes, and then I've been slowly working my way through those meals. I've tried them all now, and they're super delicious. This recipe is pretty simple. You just need pasta sauce, any kind that you want, lemon juice, salt, pepper, the meatballs obviously, rosemary, and I think that's it. So normally you would just put all of these into a bag, like one big bag, but since I am separating them, I need to mix the sauce up into a bowl first. Otherwise you would just put all the ingredients into a big bag and then put it in the freezer. So I'm adding an extra step for myself, but it'll save me in the long run because I'll actually eat the food instead of having to eat leftover meatballs for a week. So I just put the jar of pasta sauce in a bowl. Then I just need a tablespoon of lemon juice. And then a half teaspoon of rosemary. Where's my half teaspoon here? Right there. Okay, and then salt and pepper to taste. Oops. Okay. And now I'm just going to mix these all together. Okay, now I have my, get everything out of the way here. I'm just using these sandwich bags. So, open this up. This is a 2-pound bag of cooked meatballs. So, I'm just gonna fill them up with about 8. 8 meatballs works for me. You can again do them all together, or however meatballs you think you'll eat in one serving, put that in there. That's the nice thing about only cooking for yourself. You pretty much can do whatever you want. Ooh, you know what I should have done? Was just put the meatballs in the sauce. Oh well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's probably enough. Okay. Let me wash my hands. All right, so now I'm just going to take my 2/3 cup measuring, and I'll just fill these guys up. Okay, so we got our bags filled with the meatballs and the sauce. Just mix it all together. And then we have 6 meals ready. And you just put them in pasta. You'll cook the pasta when you're ready to eat. So that is very easy. It goes along with the title well. Easy Italian meatballs. Okay, next we're gonna do our baked Caesar chicken. So I am going to put all my chicken into a bowl. And I'm just going to mix it with the sauces. I just bought chicken tenders, chicken tenderloins. Just gonna cut off bits of the chicken that I don't want to eat. Is anyone else really weird about their chicken? I don't know why. But if it looks funky, then I don't want to eat it. Whoops. Oh my goodness, I'm just throwing this chicken everywhere. Okay. Let me wash my hands. All right, into this chicken, I'm going to put a 1/2 cup of sour cream. And 1 cup of creamy Caesar dressing. There's 1. 2. And then 1.5 cups of Parmesan cheese. I'm gonna need to get a spatula out for this. Okay, then we're just going to mix all this together. It smells really good. Here's what it looks like. Wondering if I didn't quite have enough chicken because this seems like a lot of stuff. It seems very creamy, but that's okay. Okay, now I'm gonna use my bags. Garbage. Probably try to get 4 meals out of this. Should have counted how many I had. 2 for each bag. I think I've got more than enough. For like 3 in each bag, 3 tenders. And again, you can just do this all together. You don't have to split it up into individual servings. I just prefer that for myself because I'd rather take the time, and I don't mind taking the time to cook it every night. But if you like reheated chicken, then just put it all together in one bag, and that would be fine for you. Okay, now I've got tons of extra sauce, so I'll go ahead and put some more sauce in each bag. Kind of looks like Alfredo. Obviously it's a very different flavor, but looks pretty good. And I think this would be really good to put on some lettuce, some salad. Like cook it up and then put on salad. I think that would be tasty. Or you could do noodles or rice, whatever. Okay, so we've got 4 more meals here. This one was another easy one to prepare and put together. So now we're at 10 meals. That's 10 nights of food or lunches, depending on when you eat them. Thank you so much for joining me today. It was a shorter video, but my freezer is kind of full, so I didn't want to make too many recipes to get overwhelmed and stuff. So please let me know if you try these or if you've had these recipes before, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.